Your Maverick's wheel arches throwing mud on everything, paint taking hits from road debris, and those factory fenders looking like they belong on a rental car. Fender flares fix all three at once. 4 options built specifically for the Maverick right here, and every link is down in the description below. Starting the list at number 4, the MF-CSKOTAR flares bring that pocket rivet style that makes the Maverick look genuinely tough. Impact-resistant UV material with a no-drill 3M adhesive install. No holes, no damage, just press and secure. Wider coverage shields wheel arches from mud, rocks, and debris on daily drives and off-road runs alike. Backed by a 2-year warranty with support team on standby. Bold upgrade, clean install. Number 3, the ALMULOO flares are built for Maverick owners who want a tight protective layer without touching a drill. Tough PP plastic with enough flex to handle driving vibrations without cracking. Textured surface finish that hides minor marks from daily use, and a gap-free fit that blends naturally with the truck's body lines. Works great paired with aftermarket mud flaps for an even tighter barrier against mud and debris. All hardware and instructions included. At number 2, the Xipoqix flares come as a 12-piece set designed to work specifically with their own mud flaps. Not compatible with OEM stock mud flaps, so keep that in mind before ordering. PP plastic with textured finish resists deformation, sun exposure, and temperature swings. Adhesive-backed installation with pre-applied automotive-grade tape bonds firmly to factory fender edges. Clean the surface with included alcohol wipes, apply pressure for 60 seconds, done. No drilling, preserves the factory finish completely. The Mabett flares earn the top spot with the most refined fitment on this list. Designed using scanned original car data, so the integration with the Maverick's body is genuinely seamless. Updated injection molding process means smooth edges straight out of the box, no trimming needed. Attaches using the vehicle's original screws for a solid mechanical connection. Works with Mabett's own mud flaps for full coverage. Clean, precise, and built like it belongs there from the factory. 4 flares, 1 Maverick, and a look that finally matches what this little truck is capable of. Whether you want pocket rivet aggression or seamless factory-style integration, something on this list was built for your build. Every link is in the description. Go grab yours. Hit subscribe and stay locked in. More Maverick content is on the way.